Hey, John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take. And today we've got something I'm excited about, a brand new model from EMC. Now, if you're familiar with EMC, you know that production was interrupted by the tragic events over there. But their production is back up and running, and models are beginning to trickle out, and I've got one here today. So this is an EMC Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic from 1938, chassis number 57591 in blue. Let's talk about Bugatti for just a second, because just the name evokes power, elegance, prestige, exclusivity, taste. I mean, they were gigantic cars. They were incredibly powerful. Not all were gigantic. Some were small. The ones that were small was still very powerful, very successful in racing. And the Type 57, which was designed by Ettore's son, Jean, was the most iconic of all of the Bugatti designs. And the most iconic of the Type 57 was the SC Atlantic. So Ralph Lauren has one. He has a black one in his collection. And you know how classy that guy is. There were only 4 created between 1936 and 1938. And as far as everyone knows, there are only 3 left. So there's been no lack of models of the Bugatti Atlantic, even in 143rd, but this one's an EMC. And if you're familiar with EMC at all, you know they're noted for amazing and exacting detail, incredible finishes, minute detail all the way down to the interior, and in particular the wheels. I'll give you a shot of those in just a little bit. So this one comes in blue. I've got the bright blue here. Matter of fact, I've got 2 of them. I'll talk to you about that in just a little bit. This one, the full-size version, was owned by Tom Perkins. There's a light blue chassis that they've done as well, number 57374, and that's a replica of a car in the Mullen collection out in Oxnard, California. You can see it out there. They're only making 60 of each, and this is what it comes packaged like. Now, I've tried to preserve the packaging for you just to show you, because one thing that EMC does very well is they have a great presentation. You know, I think the only people that have better packaging right now are Brooklyn with their deluxe packaging, but EMC does a good job, and in this price range, presentation means something. So here's what the box looks like after you take the light brown sleeve off. This is the Legends Century, it says on the top, and if you open it up inside, we've got the model firmly packed in foam, and we've got 2 placards that come information on the car on one side, and of course they have a QR code on the other side. Will take you right to the website if you want to take a look at everything else that they offer as well. So the car comes on a wooden base. It's beautifully done. The plexiglass cover is thick, it's heavy, everything just reeks of quality. There are 2 pins on either side of the case that hold the plexiglass top on. They're a little bit of a bear to get out. You're going to need some needle nose pliers to get out if you want to take a close look at the car. But once you get it out, you'll be able to appreciate all of the detail. And when you put it back on, you don't have to worry about picking the thing up by the case and everything falling apart. So let's get it on the turntable and take a look at it, because I'm excited about this car for you. First thing, I just want you to take a look at the wheels. They are absolutely amazing. Incredible detail right down to the brake rotors. But there's detail all over the car. At the front, the lensing is just absolutely realistic. The badging, the little Bugatti badge on the grille, even the turn signal indicators up on the fenders, everything's beautiful. You take a look at there's even engine detail behind those screens, behind those vents on the hood. It's little things that really make this model stand out. The little the piano hinge along the front of the hood, the rivets along the ridge that goes all the way over the car, the little chrome pieces there in the middle of the hood, the delicate nature of the windshield wipers, and the absolute perfection in the window surrounds. It's absolutely beautiful. You know, the lock covers, that just everywhere you look, there's another in detail that just draws you into the model. You go around the back, and that beautiful split window in the back with the spare tire cover and that ridge going all the way down, which was so emblematic of this particular Bugatti and makes it iconic. The finish is absolutely flawless. It's just a beautiful car. I'm going to put it on the turntable here and just let you take a look at it for a few moments. Isn't it just incredible? You know, they're only making 60 of each. They're precious. The retail on this is $550 if you buy it from EMC. I've got 2 of them here. If you're interested, let me know. You know, I can help you a little bit as far as the price is, because I've seen this coming from some European dealers, and I got to tell you something, the prices over there are nosebleed high. Now, you can order direct from EMC. They've got a full inventory in there. The great thing about ordering direct from EMC is you get that $550 price, but it includes shipping. So, you know, I got mine from Ukraine. It took about 11, 12 days for it to come, but it came. I mean, the package was safe. It was secure. Had no problems with it. So I'll give you the EMC website address. You can go out there and check them out. And remember, their price includes shipping. But again, if you're interested in one of the 2, I have 2 of these blue. Let me know. We'll work something out. So it's just an incredible model. I know it's expensive, but there are a few models that when you look at, you know they're worth the money. And EMC always produces the goods. They're just absolute jewels. They're gems. They're the pride of your collection when you get them. So this is my take on EMC's Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic from 1938. Hope you enjoyed it. Look, if you did, do me a favor, would you? Would you give me a like down there in the right-hand corner? And would love to have you as a subscriber. I've got another new EMC coming up in just a few days. We're going to be taking a look at their Porsche 356 prototype. So keep your eyes tuned to the channel and sign up if you can. Thanks for tuning in.